Hey, what's up? Today we will talk about the Binance coin price prediction, my friend. What's the price prediction of Binance coin, my friend? BNB. You can see a 3.87% will get a profit. Definitely, the Binance price will be increasing in dollar, my friend. You can see here they will take a jumps in a dollar, my friend. Very short time, very huge pump. So definitely we will talk about, my friend, the next pump, the next huge profit, my friend, of Binance. So let's start a brand video. But please, if you are new to my channel, first of all subscribe this channel, and after that press the bell icon for videos notification, my friend. If you invest in any high coin, my friend, high price coin, so I think Binance is one of the best option. So BNB, you can see the market cap, you can see 3.35% increasing and 81 billion, my friend. It's in trillion, my friend. Absolutely, I hope they will hit now. Market cap is increasing, fully diluted market cap 81 billion, my friend. You can see the volume is 20 billion. It's trillion, my friend. So volume, market cap 0.02%, 2695, and you can see here the volume is 31% increase just in only in last 24 hours. I think it's really huge profit now. Yes, my brother, it's really huge now. So I'm going, my friend, to show you the chart. The chart is very important now. So please, as you can see here, they will completely hit the resistance line. It is completely going to the moon, my friend. You can see here, just and only there is a not lost. It's really huge profit, my friend. Completely on the profit. So that's mean to BNB is completely on the trending, and people are starting investing. So why you are waiting? If you want to get a profit, just and only go invest in Binance. I hope, my friends, they will give you a profit. It's really nice, my friends, to you will invest and get a very huge profit. So hope you understand, my friends. The Binance profit, you can see here, is unbelievable. And my friend, at the end of this month, I hope to they will maybe make you millionaire if you just invest now today. All right, my friends, just in only one day more, and after that invest, I hope, my friends, they will give you some more unknown profit. So please try to understand holder if you want to get a profit, and if you want to earn money from crypto, I think BNB is one of the good option, my friends, to you will invest. So see you next time, BNB coin holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.